Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Using Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now. So let's get this onto the table, and I have a lot of stuff to unbox. So I'm in a whole different location. I'm actually inside my living room, which is actually my studio now, so yeah. So there you go right there. Big package. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So I don't know which one this one actually is, but I got to give a shout out to a lot of the companies. I'm going to explain it in the video as I unbox this. So bear with me for that. Okay, this one is by Thermalright right here. Big shout out to Thermalright for sending this out right here. This is the UB, so it's one fan all connected. This is a as you can see right here. Sorry about that. My camera's just going off because I'm in front of my cameras. Let me just turn this thing on mute real quick. And I'm sorry about that. Do not disturb. Okay, that is on. Sorry about that. So this is by Thermalright. This is a 360 raid right here. UB stand for is unibody. So the fans is just one connected fan altogether. ARGB black, and this one has the curve fan like the not the curve, the LCD. So this is a MLED what is it, 2K? I think it's a 2K or it's a 2K screen right there at I believe 200 hertz. That's why I got this one. They have 3 others. I did reach out for them about this. I did purchase this with my own money, but they refunded me everything back. Once I told them that I purchased it, they refund everything back to me. So yeah. So it's 3 versions. They actually going to send me out the other version. I got this one. They have this exact same version, but it's called Turbo. The reason why is because it has turbo fans on it and is full. It's 3 separate fans like that. So that's the difference between it. It's the same LCD OLED screen. So everything's still the same. This is just the unibody one right here. So as you can see right here, turn that around right there. There we go. I have to turn it to the side this way. There we go. I am not going to fully take everything out the pack. Once I start getting everything ready for the computer build, I will show you guys everything else. Let's get that out the way. They have, like I said, it's 3 other versions. It's this one right here, and they have different type of models right there. You have the UB, then you have the Turbo, the one that comes with 3 separate fans. I think you can connect it together to make it a unibody, whatever. And it still comes with the same LCD screen. OLED, AMOLED, that's AM LED, quarter LCD screen. Then you have the one that's called the Turbo. Is the exact same thing, still comes with the same config, the UB and the turbo fans. Only difference is it's just one long screen like that. Then they have the other one called the I forgot the name of the that model is. I forgot the name of that model. But that model is basically, the LCD screen is an oval type, so it's basically like that, like Cyclops visor. So it's basically that right there. So here we go right here. I just want you guys to see how it looks. I am replacing my Thermaltake AIO. Simple fact is that it has a lot of conflicts with my mixer and stuff like that, and uses up a lot of resources. So as you can see right here, the screen is beautiful right there. Got my own thermal paste for this. Normally it comes pre-applied. I like the fact that you just pop this off like that. Take it whatever way you want to put it. That's the whole reason why I brought this thing, so I can flip it over to whatever direction you want. I believe other models you can put it on, because this is nothing but a magnet on here. So you just flip it over like that, however you want to have it, and just go from there, which that's something I actually like. So this is it right here, guys. Right there. I'm gonna put this back in the box because I still got some other stuff to come out. I'm gonna have to do, I don't know if I'm gonna do this together or one big unboxing, but I'm gonna leave this on the side like that. So that's this unit right here. Just get this closed up for you guys really fast. I'm trying to do this stuff before my daughter gets home from school. Yeah, guys know she is a yap mouth and she likes to yell and scream all day. So I need to get this done before she gets off that school bus. All right, so this is it right here. As you can see, one whole fan right here. I might buy 2 more of these to have it just like this. I do like the one fan like that because it makes it better just to, oh yeah. I might just buy like 2 more of these fans because this will be way better just for my RGB setup. I just have to buy 2 more and just have it simple for connecting everything. So yeah, I'm gonna get this back inside the box, get this all situated, and we're gonna get to the next unboxing. All right, there we go right there, guys. I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.